All right, guys, we're here. Yep, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Welcome, guys. So what Richie's doing is he is removing the vinyl from off the window. He did this side already. It was covered with the same logo on this side and on top and on the bottom. We have one piece left to remove. This one is giving us a little bit of a hard time, but that's okay. We'll get it done. We decided to do this ourselves because, listen, when you open up a business, you have to save money anywhere you can.
And we're broke.
And we're broke. Just like a home. When you own a home, try to do things yourself. So we're putting in some sweat equity here. They was charging us $200-300 to do this, and Richie said, yeah, we can do this ourselves, and here he goes. This probably, so far he's almost done. Okay, we still have the door to do. Okay, so that's not gonna be as hard, but so far we've been out here for about 35 minutes, and he's almost done. So within an hour, we're saving ourselves $300. Okay, guys, we just wanted to keep you updated on the journey. We're gonna have the sign removed. We're just waiting for them to come and give us, show us our design, and we approved the design, and then guess what? The sign is going up. Okay, later.